Choosing the right debt payoff method can help you become debt-free faster and with less stress. This video compares two popular strategies, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche, so you can find the best approach for your situation. When managing debts, it is important to understand the different ways to pay them off. There are two main methods that many people use. Each method has its own strategy and benefits. Knowing these can guide you to make smarter decisions about your finances. The debt snowball method means focusing on paying off your smallest debt balance first, no matter what the interest rates are. This helps build motivation by giving you quick wins as you eliminate smaller debts faster. With the snowball method, you list all your debts from the smallest to the largest. You pay the minimum required amount on all debts, but put extra money toward the smallest debt until it is fully paid. Once it is gone, you take that money and apply it to the next smallest debt and continue this process until all debts are cleared. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This approach saves you more money over time because you reduce the most expensive debt first, minimizing how much interest you pay in the long run. In the avalanche method, you start by listing your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. You make minimum payments on all debts except the one with the highest interest rate, where you put extra money to pay it off faster. Once the highest interest debt is paid, you move to the next highest and keep going until all debts are paid off. Both methods are effective, but focus on different goals. The snowball method is about building motivation with quick wins by paying off small debts first. The avalanche method is designed to save money by paying off high-interest debts first. Choose the one that best fits your personality and financial situation. If you need motivation through quick progress, the snowball method may be right for you. If you want to save the most money in interest and can stay disciplined, the avalanche method is a better fit. Understanding your goals will help you pick the best strategy to become debt-free.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.